Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Shazwani binti Abdul Kadir from the Information and Communication Technology Department of Polytechnic Muka Sarawak, Malaysia. Today, I will be presenting on the effectiveness of eNotes mobile application, Introduction to Network. These are the overview of my presentation today. Online learning or e-learning has been regarded as one of the learning methods for information delivery for students in today's education, according to LATEP et al. 2020. E-learning has emerged as a revolutionary approach in modern education. One such transformative trend is the adoption of mobile learning, or also known as M-learning. Mobile learning offers students the flexibility to engage with the learning materials to their own preference. The interactive nature of mobile device allows for engaging and immersive learning experience catering to diverse learning styles. The eNote mobile application, Introduction to Network, is developed as an alternative to the existing learning management system used in Polytechnic known as CDOS. There are few problems arise before the development of this mobile application. The first problem is limited accessibility to learning materials, and the second problem is connectivity issue. Students tend to experience problem with connectivity due to there are no Wi-Fi provided in their hostel. So students often need to download the learning material using their own mobile data. This will limit their accessibility to the learning material as sometimes their mobile data has a poor connection. Moreover, students only rely on one platform, which is CDOS, to get all the learning materials for this course. In this research, the aim is to study the effectiveness of eNotes mobile application, Introduction to Network, as the learning aid for the course DFC 20143, Introduction to Network, offered at the Department of Information and Communication Technology in Muka Polytechnic. The objective of this research is divided into two. The first objective is to assess the students' acceptance towards the use of eNotes mobile application, Introduction to Network. And the second objective is to assess the students' acceptance of M-learning method in terms of readiness and usefulness. For this research, the respondent consists of the DFC 20143 Introduction to Network students of Session 1 2023/2024 from the Department of Information and Communication Technology in Muka Polytechnic. For the methodology, this research uses quantitative method whereby data is collected through a survey method. A sample of 30 respondents from Muka Polytechnic Sarawak is a student that enrolled for the course Introduction to Network. A questionnaire was distributed to all the respondents and they are required to answer based on a 5-point Likert scale. The respondent can choose the answer from strongly disagree up until strongly agree. The questionnaire is distributed in the form of Google Form. For the data analysis, descriptive analysis is used to investigate the students' acceptance towards the use of eNotes mobile application and also the acceptance of M-learning as a learning approach. The data collected was then analyzed based on the range of mean score. This is the result obtained from the first objective, which is the use of eNote's mobile application introduction to network. From the findings, we can see that the highest mean score of 4.93 concluded that this eNote's mobile application is simple and easy to use. This is supported by the result obtained for the item number 8, with 93% of the respondents strongly agree with the statement, which proves the level of acceptance for this eNote mobile application is high. Besides that, from the pie chart provided, we can see that 87 of the respondents strongly agree that this application is related to the FC 20143 Introduction to Network Course. This proves that the content within the developed application aligns with the offered polytechnic syllabus. Moreover, 87% of the respondents also agree that the eNote mobile application can help in increasing students' understanding for the course. Next, for the second objective, which is to investigate the readiness and the usefulness of mobile learning, the result shows that the readiness and the acceptance of students to use M-learning for all courses offered in the future is high. This can be concluded from the highest mean score of 4.9, which is then supported by the response from the student for item 4, where 90% of students strongly agreed to use M-learning for all courses offered. This demonstrates that student potential to use mobile application for future learning is very positive. Besides that, 87 of the respondents prefer learning from the mobile phones over traditional learning approach. The outcome indicates student has accepted M-learning as one of the approach in education. Based from the result obtained from the previous data analysis, the strongly agree scale recorded the highest mean, totaling 76%, while the agree scale achieved a mean of 23%. In contrast, the disagree scale only received 1%. The strongly disagree and neutral scale did not have any percentage votes. This indicates that the developed application is well received by user in learning the introduction to network course. Overall, the mean score for each item reached the highest level, resulting in satisfaction among the application user. In conclusion, students are ready to accept the notion of using mobile technology for accomplishing learning objectives as they are more comfortable in using mobile handsets. The creation of cutting edge resources through the eNotes mobile application introduction to network has the potential to increase and cultivate student interest in the DFC 20143 Introduction to Network course, ultimately leading to a more engaged and proactive learning environment. The result shows that the level of student acceptance for the developed eNote mobile application is high. Furthermore, the result also proves their readiness in using M-learning for future learning. That is all from me. Thank you.